Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. You are seeing in front of me VIVO V17 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to clear cache on this device. So to wipe cache, first you need to disable your device, so power off your device, then press and hold together power and volume up buttons. Press and hold it together and you will open the fast boot, so choose the recovery mode using the volume up button and click power button to choose it, to open it. Wait for about, 5-10 seconds and your device will open the recovery mode, and then just click clear data, clear cache, OK, and great. Now return, go back, and now we can restart our device. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.